Welcome to Jonah Jo. I'm Indonesian living in Barcelona, Spain. In this video, I'm gonna show you what inside this fox leather zipper bag I obsessed from Morphe. Also, I will show you what's the kind of this bracelet inside and what the function. Okay, before I start the video, don't forget to subscribe, give thumbs up. Also, you can leave your comment in the below. Okay, now let's open this fox leather zipper bag. How to open? Okay. By the way, I love this fox leather zipper bag because it's so pretty. Also, I like the color. The color is black. Once time you get dirty, it's not clear, right? Okay, let's open. Also, you can keep your makeup and you can bring to everywhere, put inside your bag. It's so practical. Look at this. Yes, you will get 12 brushes special for eye makeup look. First, this is large shadow fluff brush. Create a killer highlight to your brow bone or upper cheekbones with a soft and rounded brush. And then here I bring two brushes. It's almost same but it's different. Okay, the name of this brush is blender brush to blend out and keep on going with this perfectly flat and rounded brush. Now I bring pointed blender brush. Buff out eyeshadow or soften harsh lines with this fluffy topper brush that lets you control how you blend. This is firm blending fluff brush. This fluffy yet firm multitasking brush makes crisp blending easy. Also, you can use the flat side to keep things shady or blend the rolls with the full tip. And this small chisel fluff brush. This small wonder lets you define and scope with this precision. Also perfect for detailed eyeshadow application and for packing on color onto the lid. Now I bring smooth brush. Smooth out your liner or make your shadow smoky hot or whatever you choose. This little brush will be your new bestie. And this one is pointed crisp brush. This is soft and slender bristles and also a tapered point let you place color right where you want it. This one is detail crisp brush. This stiff taper brush is stickler for detail. It's your go-to for a defined cut crease, the perfect smooth and packing color onto the inner eye or outer fit. And the next, this is concealer brush. This flat brush pats down concealer like a boss to blur imperfection and blend it seamlessly into the rest of your makeup. This one is flat liner brush. Use this babe to define or buff out your lash line for a totally eye-catching look. And this one is detail liner brush. Create the most defined and detailed lines with the super precise micro fine brush. Now this is the last brush. This is angel brow and spoolie brush. Create soft, natural brows with this angel end and groom hair into place with the spoolie. Double win! So guys, what's your opinion about this eye obsessed from Morphe? For me, I love it so much because in one bag I get 12 brushes special for eye makeup look, so it will be easy to bring travel or whatever. Look at this. That's all, and you will get pretty eye makeup look in along of today. Okay, by the way, thank you for watching and see you next video. Bye. Mwah.